Good evening and welcome back to the Cooler Denim channel. My name is Tina and today I am here with a DIY showing you how to customize a birthday shirt. I love designing clothes for my nieces, and when they call me and ask me to do their birthday shirts, I could not say no. And they are having a glow in the dark party this year. Her and her brother, actually, he's 10 and she's 10 and he's 8 actually. And they're having a party together because both of their birthdays is in December like mine. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. Saleya, that's my niece's name, Saleya. So I have Saleya here at the top, and then I have 10th birthday. And I'm also gonna be putting this cute little girl on here, but we're gonna have to do that next because we are layering. And I've already pressed the shirt with heat press to prep it. And then I'm just laying out my design now to see how it's gonna go. And if everything looks pretty even, spaced apart as far as my lettering. And I think that looks pretty good. So some parchment paper just to cover my design. There we go. Parchment paper ready. Gonna place that over. Spin this baby on around and place it right down in the center. Since we are layering this, we're only gonna press it for about 15 seconds. Typically, I would do about 20 to 25, but because we're gonna get additional heat with each layer, we're only gonna do about 10 or 15. And then we'll check to see if it's ready to peel. So this is gonna be our first layers. Just gonna let that cool for a second and see if it's ready. Yeah. And then we're just gonna start to peel that first one off. Yeah. And this is what it's looking like after our first layer. This is our first layer. Now we're gonna go on to our next layer, which is going to be the little girl's head. And I want her head to rest between these numbers and the 10. So, again, we're gonna put our parchment paper over our other layers as well. And we are gonna go for it. Okay, so we got that layer lined up. Now we're gonna go back over it again. Put her lips, flare. And we're gonna put her headband. It's our headband, and we're gonna take that off. Okay, so right now I'm just adding on some black flat back studs for her earrings to have a 3D effect. So this is what the back of the shirt came out looking like. And now we're gonna do, well, I guess we could go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and put her earrings on. And she's gonna have real earrings. So I need my glue. So here is the finished design for my niece's, let's see, we're gonna move her earring down a little bit. For my niece's 10th birthday shirt. This is actually the back of the shirt. I haven't designed the front yet. And it has her name, Saleya. She's gonna be 10 with the turquoise glitter. And then it has some purple, light purple, dark purple glitter for her headband. And then I have these flat back black stones for her earrings. And then birthday in the neon green. And then this is the complete look of the shirt. Isn't that cute? Really cute, really